Welcome, welcome! Microsoft Clarity gives you the ability to view live session recordings. When you log in and view your dashboard page, under the Users Overview section, click on this camera icon for live users. This is a feature that not all heat map and session recording tools have, but is available with enterprise offerings like Quantum Metric and Full Story. You'll see all these recordings on the left with this live indicator above it. If you click on one, then it'll load that recording and start playing. And you'll see the actions of the users live. If the user is inactive, you'll see a pop-up like this waiting for additional user activity. And when the user engages with the page again, then this pop-up will go away. If you go back to a previous point on the recording timeline, then you'll see an indicator and a call to action next to the video duration in the timestamp that says go live. So when you click on go live, then you're brought to the point where the user is actually live. You can configure filters for the live recordings. This is especially useful if you're troubleshooting issues for customers. You can filter for a parameter like user ID under the user info dropdown. But for that, you need some coding done by your development resources or development personnel to add a variable and align to the JavaScript to the Microsoft Clarity code to set the user ID with a function like this and send it to Microsoft Clarity. When you send pseudo-anonymous user IDs to Microsoft Clarity, that can help you identify the user who needs help to troubleshoot issues. Then you can enter the ID here, and you can also filter the recordings by these other parameters as well. You can also use other custom filters like custom tags. Microsoft Clarity does have documentation on how you can send these custom values with this kind of function here where you can set the key variable and then the value as well. So for example, if you have users that log in and they have a certain type of membership like silver, gold, or platinum, then instead of flight, you could put membership type and then one of those values for the membership. So there are instructions here, and I'll link this in the description so you can send it to your development resources. Navigate to the page section on the left here, and if you go to JavaScript errors, you can filter the recordings by different JavaScript errors so you can find the the live recordings of those errors. You can also look through videos associated with segments using saved parameters by clicking on the drop-down at the top and choosing your segment. So you can use this not only for customer support and troubleshoot errors for your product managers and developers, but if you're expecting a large amount of traffic from a marketing campaign, for example, you can see how users engage from that campaign. If you want more content on working with digital marketing, audience, customer, or user data, subscribe to the channel.